Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of the revival of this thing. Have cars kind of flipped around a little bit, but regardless, we got all the parts we need to get the MR2 back running. Fuel injectors are back. 1 and 4 were clogged and not shooting fuel. New filters. So let's just jump right into it, start piecing this thing back together. Alright, let's start with the fuel injectors. I'm going to put those in first. As I said, 1 and 4 were clogged, not working properly. My friend Mike Jingle was able to help me with it. He runs CPF, which is awesome. Runs it out of his garage. He's trying to expand. Definitely check him out if you need your fuel injectors serviced. Let's throw these things in. Alright, injectors are back in place. Just gonna plug them on in. Alright, these are plugged in. Let's move to the fuel filters. Alright, old, new, let's switch them. Alright, new ones are now on the brackets. Let's go ahead and put some Loctite on the fittings. Put them in. Alright, those guys are good to go. I don't feel like moving the CUDA off the lift, so let's go ahead and raise this thing in the air. Alright, so I did a bunch of stuff off camera that I didn't really film, but everything's on, injectors are on, fuel filters are on. Gonna go ahead and prime the fuel system, check for any leaks real quick. Then we'll go ahead for a first start. Alright, so as you saw in that last clip, it just leaked. I went ahead and tightened the fittings on the fuel filters already. So we should be good now. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see if we have any leaks. And if it doesn't, I think we're good. Up for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and call that a win. It's pretty ready to go. Leaves us at a good stopping point for this. I got wheels on the way, doors on the way. I got to figure out the bumper situation and a splitter. Besides that, I mean, just some suspension adjustments and we're good to go. I don't know how well this comes out on the audio. So I think that's a pretty good stopping point for this car. Got a few other things I gotta do in the shop. Clean this thing up. Had a guy doing wiring on the bus yesterday, so I might clean that up as well. But the next video that you guys are gonna see is probably gonna be the Barracuda. I wanna get it up on the list, start working on the underneath, getting it all cleaned up and painted and port 15'd. Then I'm probably going to start trying to tackle the Holly myself, because KSR can't get it till April. But that'll more than likely be the next video. I am potentially going to look at a new truck today, well not today, but Monday. So today I have to go through my truck, get it all cleaned out, just in case I do trade it in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll just throw that in this video as well. Alright, so most of you guys know this is my 2015 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel Limited. Coming up on 150,000 miles. Drive a lot for work, and you know, it's just time to get something else. It's given me a couple issues over my ownership, but overall it's been a good truck, and all the issues that they have given me, Dodge has taken really good care of me. But regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and empty this thing out just in case I end up getting rid of it on Monday. A little before and after. Let's go ahead and tackle this. Alright, that's a whole lot better than it was. Not too overly concerned with getting everything completely clean. Just want to get everything cleared out since the dealership will be doing all the cleaning. Alright, so I got the cab cleared out for the most part. Gonna leave it dirty. I don't care too much about that. Oh, I forgot to check in here. I've got anything in there. Apparently there is. I forgot I even had that in the back. But I got some random miscellaneous stuff still in there that I'll need for tomorrow for work. But besides that, we should be good to go. Just got to worry about clearing out the bed now, and I'll be pretty much done. Alright, so I'm over here clearing out the bed, and I find this. So guess what? This truck's gone. This truck's gone. Alright, so bed's cleared out enough for me. I'm really trying to contemplate if I'm going to keep these floor mats. I mean, it probably won't affect the trade-in on the truck, but I'm thinking I'm just going to do it. And whether I use them in the new one, I don't know. If they'll fit in the new one, I have no idea. I might just sell them. I keep them, who knows. Which completely brings me to my next point. Inside the trailer, we have a drift car, my friend Alec McEwen's S13 LS Swap 240. We're going drifting at Clutch Kickers in a week or two, and I might as well show you that. So like I said, S13 LS swapped. He's also building an S14. He wants to compete in Formula Drift. If you want to follow him though, it's right there. Yeah, but we've got a bunch of tires. This is still packed up from the last event we went to. So got to clear it all out, make sure we have everything we need. Then go down south, got to do some work on this, and then go from there. Might as well put this tow stuff in the trailer, since we won't be needing that till I come back with a potential new truck. Well, that's about all I got for this video, so let's just take a look at this, because it very well could be the very last time that you guys see it. And I'm gonna miss this truck. It was my first pickup truck. Did a lot, worked a lot in it, thing hauled a lot. It was basically my mobile office. So I'm excited to get the new one if the deal goes through. That's all I have for this video, guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any guesses as to what the new truck is going to be, go ahead and leave it down in the comments.